How to get free credit balance on TEMU. If you want to get free credit balance on TEMU, the first thing you want to do is open the TEMU application. Make sure that you're using the latest version. Now log into your account. Then what you want to do is tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Here you want to type claim credit in this way. Then tap on this search icon. Now it's going to look something like this. It will take you to the spinning wheel and you simply want to spin that wheel, tap on stop. Now normally it will land to one more chance. So all you want to do is spin the wheel again, then tap on stop. Now here as you can see, you got 70% credit back. Now it's going to ask you if you want to convert it to cash. You can simply select either PayPal Cash or TEMU Credit. Tap on TEMU Credit and tap on choose. Now simply tap on the confirm option. Now you can simply select any items from here for credit. Then tap on the checkout for $50 credit option. Then from here you can enter your address and complete the rest of these steps. Then tap on the checkout option. And in this way you can get free credit balance on TEMU. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.